Hello girls, how you going? It's Anita here from Sequins and Sand. I just wanted to show you, super excited about this local Brizzy brand that's joining us here at Sequins and Sand. Arrived today. Let's see what it's all about. They are capes from Cape Capri. I got them because I loved the concept for travel. You can pop it over your cozies during the day, and then at night time you can pop it over a dress or a long sleeve shirt if it's a bit cooler, or a tee, wear it over jeans. Versatility plus, and then you can fold it up to be a scarf or a wrap as well. Essential if you're going away, where you can do more with less. So this is one version. We have beautiful, it's like a midnight blue to black with a stripe. And I'm just hoping that I can get far enough back to show you, maybe angle my camera a little bit. Comes in two lengths. This is the knee length, and I've just put on a little bracewell cotton underneath, which is what I'd wear traveling as well. It's a bit hard to see, but it's got this beautiful sheerness to it. That's at the back, and then you can tie these. So imagine you got your cozies on and you're just giving yourself a little bit of coverage there, and then with a little bit of magic we should be able to marry up the armholes, wrap it around, thread it through, and rearrange to wear as a scarf. If you're layering up, if it's a bit cooler, tuck it in. If you're on board and you want a little bit of warmth when you're in transit, because the aircon on the plane's driving you nuts, that's the sort of thing you can do. So these are really beautiful, versatile capes. We have two lengths, the length to the knee, and then we also have the kimono length, which is, which one is this one? It's a cape kimono. Who likes a little bit of animal? Woohoo! A few different prints to this range. This is a gorgeous, this is for you Gold Coast girls. Look at this, beautiful leopard print. That's the longer length. I'm about 5'5", and that goes to my ankle. And then this is the other print. Gorgeous, soft as silvers. Absolutely stunning. Look at this print, girls. Do you see that? And this feels like liquid, like, you know, mercury for your fingers. It's beautiful. And this comes in the shorter length as well. And do you see that? It's got this little eye, hook and eye there to keep it in place. So the new Cape Capri range from Sequins and Sand, two Brizzy chicks doing their bit to get you looking fantastic on your next summer sojourn, your next escape. With European summer coming up, if they ever get through all this snow, perfect for travel and for long weekends and Easter as well. Thanks girls, we'll pop this on the website and share the link soon. Thanks, bye.